Hello and welcome to another tutorial for ApplicantExtra. Today we're going to discuss how ApplicantExtra integrates closely with Microsoft Word. In the past, because the ApplicantExtra is an online application, we have had problems with the way we can integrate with Microsoft Word because we've had to, whenever we've had opened up a document, we have to save it locally and then re-upload it before the changes are in the database. Now this is no longer the case. With the Java option under ApplicantExtra, you can now edit in place. So let's have a look at this particular client. Inside of here we can click View All Extra Documents. Now these are documents that I've already uploaded. So inside of here you can see I've got two. Let's have a look at one of these documents inside of Microsoft Word. Now I've got Word 2007, but this should also work with 2003. And will soon work with 2010. Now, we've got that. Let's open up this document. We've got it here. We can see it's a contract document that I've just found on a sample site. Now, inside of here, I might want to make some changes to this contract that I've got attached. But so let's just say instead of information, we might put data gathering and so on, and might put it here just as a demonstration of what we might want to do. Now, once you've finished editing your document, it could be anything. You could be changing headers and footers, changing the spelling, grammar, anything that you might want to do on this particular document. Once you're finished, you can click close. That will ask you if you want to save as usual, and you click yes. Now, not only is that saving that document locally, it's also being uploaded back to the system. So if I now click on, if I just give it 1 second, and then I click on View, that will open up that document again, this time with the changes that we've saved. So you can see that this might be quite handy inside of it for many reasons, not only for editing documents in place against clients, but maybe also for other things inside of candidates. Now if we go to a candidate record, let's go to say Jeremy Stevens, who's got one private CV attached to them. Inside of here we can see Jeremy Stevens has only got a private CV attached. They may have not had the procedure completed yet, so we want to make sure they've got that's the original CV, so we want to make sure that they've got a public CV, a CV ready for clients to look at with their contact details stripped down. So to do that, let's click on Open Private CV as Template underneath the Public CV section. This will open up in Word a version of the private CV that's already got the logo stamped on it that we've got for that particular user, and inside of here I can then make and edit any changes. Let's change for a start. Let's change, make sure that's Jeremy. And we'll get rid of any contact information that we don't want on there. So inside of here I can just click now, either close it down and click say yes when it asks me if I want to save, or I can just click save. Now this document, whilst you're doing all of this document is locked from anybody else making changes. They can look at it, but they will not be able to make any changes whilst you have it open. It's first come first serve. Once you've closed it, then someone else can access it. So now if I look at that, I can see now I've got the public CV attached and a private CV, both of which have got searchable text, which can be easily found via the usual search fields in vacancy and anywhere else you've got. So that's a rough idea of how ApplicantExtra, an online database system, not a client desktop, can now allow you to edit documents in place. I hope that helps. Stay tuned for other tutorials coming soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.